Hello viewers, I am from Navigation 3000A. I heartfully welcome you all to visit my channel, like, comment and subscribe. The opening ceremony of Vietnam's first urban light rail, which was built by China, was held in Hanoi on Thursday, the 13th January 2022. The metro line made about 13,000 rounds and carried more than 1 million people during the 67-day trial operation, which started on November 6, 2021. The analysts said more trips will be made as the Vietnamese economy recovers, supported by higher employment, growing workers' wages, and stable prices. The Cát Linh-Hà metro line was constructed by a Chinese company. It is the first one of its type completed in the Southeast Asian country. Over the past 2 months of the commercial operation, the metro line transported some 15,000 passengers per day. The 13-kilometer Cát Linh-Hà metro line, with 12 stations linking railway and bus stations and university, built by China Railway Sixth Group Company, has a maximum transport capacity of 28,500 passengers per hour in each direction. As the first urban railway in Vietnam, the line can help realize a 20-minute convenient living circle in Hanoi, according to a statement sent by the China Railway Sixth Group Company. More than 6,000 technicians have been trained, with 20,000 people employed during construction, which involved nearly 40 types of work in 11 professional systems, said the company. The operation of the $868 million project is 100% in the hands of the Vietnamese Metro Company. The price of a ticket for the Cát Linh-Hà metro is 8,000 dong, $0.35 for a single trip, and 30,000 dong for a daily pass. A monthly pass cost 2 lakh dong, local new media Vietnam News reported. The average monthly wage for workers in 2021 was 6.6 million dong, down 603,000 dong from the same period in 2020, read GSO data. The metro line has now officially entered service after a 2-week free trial operation. The fact that a smaller number of riders was recorded compared with the trial period is a chance Western media outlets could not miss to question any project where China or Chinese firm participate. Thank you.